My name is Munir Pirmohamed. I'm a chair of medicine, the David Weatherall Chair of Medicine at Liverpool University, and I'm also a consultant physician in the NHS for the Royal Liverpool University Hospital. That's Watson and Crick who discovered the structure of DNA, and I was fascinated by how they did it, and going to the original diagram that they published of a double helix in 1953. In fact, I've been lucky enough then to meet and have dinner with James Watson and hear about his thoughts and so on, and some of the thoughts are pretty interesting in terms of how he went to worked with Crick and so on in terms of discovering the structure of DNA. I've read his book as well, so it's a fascinating read, so I would certainly recommend that. Later on, as I started my medical career, because I had always been fascinated by genes and DNA, the person who then inspired me was David Weatherall, who was at that time professor of medicine at Oxford, and he'd written a book on DNA and the genetics and how it can impact on clinical practice. So again, I've met him. In fact, he's a Liverpool graduate and had a chair in Liverpool, where I work now, and then moved to Oxford. And now, Liverpool bestowed an honour on him because of his major contributions, called the David Weatherall Chair of Medicine, and I've been awarded that David Weatherall Chair of Medicine. So it's quite good to be able to meet your heroes, really. Part of the process of meeting your hero is learning from them, actually, and then seeing how they actually achieved their goals and so on. How they overcame their challenges and how they progressed things through, as they became more and more senior. Identify what you want to do. Obviously, it's quite difficult. There are many different choices, and that's the beauty of undertaking, undertaking career in biology, science, medicine. But as you progress through your career, have a mentor, and you may have different mentors at different stages of your career who can give you unbiased advice.